In this landmark ruling, the Customs, Excise and Service Tax Appellate Tribunal, CESTAT, in New Delhi delivered a significant judgment in favor of ISGEC Heavy Engineering Limited. The case revolved around allegations of overvaluation of export goods under 16 shipping bills to claim higher duty drawback benefits. Customs authorities argued that the free on board (FOB) values declared by ISGEC were inflated compared to the values in A1 forms submitted by supporting manufacturers. ISGEC defended its position, stating that the FOB values were based on negotiated contracts with foreign buyers and included additional costs like marketing expenses, transportation, warranty obligations, and profit margins. The company argued that duty drawback should be calculated on the FOB value as per Section 75 of the Customs Act and the drawback rules. The tribunal ruled that customs authorities cannot modify the FOB value, as it is a negotiated transaction value protected by the principle of privity of contract. It also emphasized that duty drawback must be calculated on the FOB value, as specified in the drawback rules. The tribunal followed the case citation Jayanta Trading Co. and Unra versus Commissioner of Customs, New Delhi, Customs Appeal No. 53959 of 2023, which established that customs officers cannot alter the transaction value agreed upon between the buyer and seller. Ultimately, the tribunal set aside the Commissioner, Appeals, order, revoked fines and penalties, and allowed ISGEC to claim duty drawback on the declared FOB value. This decision reinforces the importance of adhering to legal provisions in customs valuation and duty drawback claims. For any litigation support and legal advice, please send us an email at office@adrikalav.com.